You're on your driving test. The examiner says, pull over and park here. Pretend you're doing downhill parking. Signal to the right, check your rearview mirror, check your right blind spot, get close to the curb, make a complete stop with your wheels straight. Apply your parking brake, place the gear selected to park, and it's downhill, 1 revolution. To the right, cancel your signal, hold the wheel, and you're done. Now the examiner says, let's go. So you straighten the wheel, 1 revolution. To the left, get rid of your parking brake, place the gear selected to drive, signal to the left, check your rearview mirror, left outside mirror, left blind spot, drive off in a straight line if it's safe to do so. Cancel your signal, you're done.